Well, we back in the lab again, and it is rotor and pad time, so we're gonna replace those with those. And I got some ceramic pads to go along with it. So starting back with the rear first, we're gonna work our way up to the front. But got them bad boys from R1CONCEPTS. Appreciate you guys. It's hard to keep these bad boys in stock, but I managed to get all 4 of them boys. So we're gonna get them put on and I'll show y'all how it go. All right, we got the caliper off so far on this one. Right now we're looking for a tool to get some stuff off of here, but once we do that, we'll put it on. Well, we finally got it off. That joint was hard to get off, but my boy got it off and got the first one on. The old one beat the shit out of it. Get it off, but we got it off. And got that one on, okay. The first one, we got 3 more to go. And hopefully they're easier than this one. So we got the rears on. That's one. Around to the back side, other side. Got that bad boy on. Looking good, looking good. We got 2 down and 2 more to go. I'm working on the front. I already switched the pads. I'm working on the rotor. Hopefully that one will be easier than the rears, because the rears, them bad boys, whew, took some work. But my boy got them off, so hopefully these are easier. Alright guys, the job is done. This bad boy's looking real good. That's that one. Got that one. Right to the other side. That bad boy look good against them gloss black wheels. Bam, got that bad boy. Alright guys, that's all for this video. Y'all stay tuned for the next video. And I appreciate R1CONCEPTS for getting them bad rotors in for me and the pads. Man, they look good, man. I wish it would stay that color, but over time it's gonna not stay that color, so enjoy it while I can. Alright, see y'all on the next video.